Welcome to the JUNKO Space Fortress. There, that's pretty Hollywood, isn't it? Cool, let's see how it's made. So this is our multi-featured space fortress. We've got a landing pad on the top for this flying saucer toy the kids love. That's a JUNKO wheel with an F for flying saucer. That lights up in the dark. We've got laser cannons. These are just made out of yogurt pots. Yogurt pot. Inside of a juice carton, turns out that's silver. Drinking straw in the front, or you can use a pen refill. And this is Easter egg foil turned inside out, held on plastic bands. Clips on there. It's a JUNKO J-Fix. The doors, cereal packet, bit of inside of juice carton again, it's lovely in silver, with our glow-in-the-dark hinges. Our pièce de resistance is the red bike light at the bottom. So this is clear plastic carton, tennis ball tube, a drink bottle, a plastic tub with a bit of black paint on, and that's like our reactor core. Then we have popular sweet tube, colourful sweets, which our little chap can go down at his flying saucer. He goes down into there, lands on his back, and goes to the control centre here. This is just cornflakes packet coloured in, little J-Fixes, hold it together. This little bench here is all just inside of drinks carton. Then we've got a landing pad on the side. I'll turn it around a bit. So this, easy again, favourite toys for the boys. And this is just a piece of card, clips in, and the JUNKO magnetic J-Fix on the bottom. That pops in there. These parts here, you probably guess what they are. End of your drinks bottle, chopped off, and they're just wedged in. They seem to hold okay. Control panel just sits in there, and everything just sits in there. So these floors are just held in. We've just cut out this polygon shape, roughly hacked some holes in the middle which we put our stuff through. Doesn't have to be too neat. And then these are held on with magnetic J-Fixes, this floor. So you can actually slide those up and down a bit. You can move that down if you wanted to. Like that. And then just J-Fix corners to hold it together. And we've painted it with a bit of metallic paint. It's silver with a bit of green in. When you paint it, paint both sides, because otherwise the card curves one way. We found that from experience. And that is the little tower. The corners are angular, spacey corners for our fortress. These are just bits of card box. Standard box. Chop a corner off, you get your card. So that's your box corner. Just take this, draw a line, cut along. So we've taken our box corner, this is cut down like that, so it makes it slope. Now, we're just using J-Fix corners here. Key with this is these corners work really well when you can see the zigzaggy bit. So have the corrugator going like that way, and then these will push on really easy. You can squidge it down and then they're solid. Same for here. So squidge those on, squidge that up, push it in, push it in. And the top, you can see here, it's just a piece of inside of a juice box, which looks like that. Lovely in silver, really lovely stuff. I'll show you how the sides work. This is pretty easy. Got the turrets, and all these are bits of cardboard. We just cut a little slot in like that. Just pushes in the gap in there, and put a little bit of tape on it to hold it in place. And that is pretty much our space fortress.